guys, it is morning. We are going to drop off Lily. Say good morning, Mommy.
Good morning.
And then we're gonna go run some errands today, and then we are gonna go do a little bit of grocery shopping because of course we're on our day date. So after we drop off the kids, we go do our errands and go grocery shopping, spend some time together. Well, that's just us spending time together, running errands, grocery shopping, and stuff like that, because we don't have kids with us anymore. They are in school, so that's what we're gonna do today. I also have to get a birthday gift because my niece's birthday party is this weekend, so I have to go do that. So that's what we're gonna do. But we stopped at the store real quick because Lily needs a drink for school. They only had a big one?
Yeah, they didn't have the one that, the ones that open up.
Yeah, the little ones.
Well, the ones.
What do you tell Daddy?
You welcome me, huh? I wanted to get her the ones, the twist ones where you can open it and she could drink it from the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? They
Yeah.
didn't have them though.
Oh. Alright. And we're off. Alright. We just came back from HEB. What happened?
It fell.
Oh. You hurting?
Huh?
Your legs hurting?
A little bit. Tell you.
OMG. It's dark in here. Set them right here. Let me open the blind. You have to go potty? Max! Hi! Hi! What are you doing in the car? Hi! Do you have to go potty? Hi! Hi, silly puppies! I made my husband his breakfast, so let me show you how it came out. Let me show you his plate. Oh my god. So there's all his eggs, like it's huge, and then his hash browns, some bacon, and his toast. There you go, babe.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I wrote out a to-do list, and this is my to-do list right here. The first thing I needed to do was go grocery shopping, which I already did. And the second thing I needed to do is visit Marshall's to get a birthday present for my niece's birthday party, which is this weekend. And then get some sort of decor for Lily's bedroom because I am decorating it like a boho, but still girly bedroom for her, which a video is coming soon for that. And then I have to make 50 Power Ranger candy apples. You guys, I'm so nervous about that. And then the last thing we have to do is just go to the birthday party. So this is my to-do list for this weekend, which hopefully I can execute it. But yeah, this is my to-do list.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and Can we just sing along? And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
I am now here at the mall because we had went about 3 weeks ago to get our glasses. Well, for my husband, he needed his contacts, so he got his contacts, and I got myself a pair of sunglasses, so I am here to pick them up. So I'm so excited. I got myself some Ray-Bans.
Oh, okay, cool. Now we're picking up.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, give me just 1 second.
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how they look.
Got the new card.
Yay. Yeah, someone else came with those yesterday.
Oh, really?
So this is how they look. Yay, I'm so excited. I love them.
Yeah? You see well?
Yes.
I mean, it's just a little prescription, but.
Yeah, tiny. Well, we had just came back from doing all that stuff in the morning, got back, started cleaning, and then now tomorrow is my niece's birthday party, so I am doing the candy apples for her. So I am doing about a little over 50 candy apples. I am doing Power Ranger candy apples. So she just wanted them red, a red candy apple with, where are the wafers? With some Power Ranger wafers on them. That's how they're coming out, with the wafers. So cute. So I did my husband's candy apples, and then I still need all those to do. So right now I'm just putting the wafers on them. And this is what you're supposed to do. I just put them in a little water. And then put it right on there. And that's it. So we are going to the birthday parties today. I'm so excited because I helped with the party, so I know how important it is to her.
Got your seatbelt.
I know. Sorry, it's because I don't have my seatbelt on. But I just got my new glasses. Some Ray-Bans. I love them. Thanks, babe. So on that Flex spending card, can you tell me, first of all, the first thing I'm going to say is, whoa. I'm not going to go crazy. That's the first thing I'm gonna tell you. I'm not going to go crazy on it. But you need to show me. And there's a lot of people here already. There's so many people here.
We got here now. We got here now.
2 o'clock.
Get me out.
I'm gonna get you out. Okay, are you ready? You ready to go party? Hold on, wait for mommy and daddy. Hold on, mommy. We gotta put it on the
I know
table.
you're hurt. I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind up, babe.
cat.
Alright, and then look. Alrighty. Well, did you have fun at the party? Yes? It was a great party, wasn't it? Yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'm just going to be outside with Lily because she is still not done partying. She still wants to play outside. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are new here, I would really love for you to consider subscribing. Don't forget to comment down below. I really love talking to you guys. And that is it. I will see you on my next video.